when you are trying to find horizontal asymptotes, you're trying to find where you have end behavior or where you have a function when x is approaching infinity or negative infinity. And the reason that you want to be able to find these is if there is a horizontal asymptote, you want that marked on the graph, and that can get you much more detail than if there is one and you don't mark it. So there are three cases when you're finding horizontal asymptotes, and what you're going to look for is when you have a rational function, which means you've got x's in the denominator. There'll be three different cases, and the first case would be, you have to look very closely, but the exponents match in the largest exponential term. So the degree on the top is the same as the degree on the bottom. So that would be n equals n, okay? Or degree in numerator equals degree in the denominator. Then there is a special asymptote, and that would be at y equals the coefficients a divided by b. All right, here if you have, this says if m is greater than n, so that means the bottom is larger degree than the top. That means the bottom is growing at a higher rate than the top, and then the horizontal asymptote is an automatic 0. If the bottom is smaller, a smaller degree than the top, then there is no horizontal asymptote. So it's either going to be the coefficients, if they match, 0 if the bottom is bigger, and none if the bottom is smaller. So here we have a couple examples. Here the degree on top is 3 and the degree on the bottom is 3. If they match, you look at the coefficients, and the horizontal asymptote would be at 4 over 2, which would be 2. Here the degree is 3 and on the bottom, and the degree is 2 on the top, so that would be the bottom is bigger, higher degree than the top, so that's an automatic 0. And here the degree is higher on the top, it's 2 versus the bottom it's 1, so then there are no horizontal asymptotes.